The Great Wall of China is one of the greatest wonders of the world. It was built to protect China from invasions by enemies, especially from the north. The wall is not just one single wall. It is made up of many walls built by different emperors over thousands of years. Construction started as early as the 7th century BC, but the most famous parts were built during the Ming Dynasty, between the 14th and 17th centuries. The Great Wall stretches over 21,000 kilometers. It crosses mountains, deserts, and rivers, made of stone, bricks, and wood. It shows the hard work of millions of workers, soldiers, and even prisoners. The wall was not only for defense, it also helped control trade, including the famous Silk Road, and protected China's culture. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It reminds us of China's strength, history, and determination. It is often called the only man-made structure visible from space, though that is more a myth than fact. The Great Wall of China is not just a wall. It is a symbol of human effort and unity.